Have you ever thought about investing in real estate? Imagine, if you will, a world where your money works for you, rather than you working for your money. A realm where financial growth is not just a dream, but a tangible reality. This, my friends, is the intriguing world of real estate investment. It's a world where properties become the golden goose, steadily laying eggs of profit. Real estate investment is the act of purchasing properties, be it residential, commercial, or industrial, with the aim of generating a return. This could be through rental income, reselling for profit, or both. It's a field that has proven lucrative for many, with potential for substantial financial growth. So, if the idea of owning a piece of the earth, of watching your wealth grow as cities expand and communities thrive, appeals to you, then you're in the right place. If this has piqued your interest, stick around as we delve into the steps of real estate investing. First things first, let's understand what real estate investment is all about. Imagine owning a piece of land, a home, or a towering commercial building. That's real estate investment in a nutshell. It's about purchasing a property, often with the goal of generating income or making a profit. But it's not just about buying and selling. There's so much more to it. There are several types of real estate investments, each with its own unique characteristics and potentials. First up, residential real estate. This includes homes, apartments, townhouses, and vacation properties. As an investor, you can profit from residential real estate through rental income or capital appreciation when you sell the property for more than you bought it. Then there's commercial real estate, which includes office buildings, shopping centres, and other business spaces. Generally, the tenants of these properties are businesses, not individuals. Commercial properties often generate higher rental income than residential properties, but they may also have higher operating costs and longer vacancy periods. Lastly, there's industrial real estate, which includes warehouses, factories, and distribution centres. These properties can be lucrative due to long-term leases and lower operating costs, but they can also be more complex to manage. So why do people invest in real estate? Well, for one, it can provide a steady income stream. If you rent out a property, you'll receive rental income on a regular basis. Additionally, as property values generally increase over time, you can make a profit when you sell. Real estate is also a tangible asset that you can use or improve. But remember, every investment comes with risks. Property values can decrease, tenants can default on their rent, and unexpected costs can arise. It's important to thoroughly research and understand these potential risks before diving in. Now that you have a grasp of what real estate investment is, it's time to learn how to get started. Starting your real estate investment journey might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Embarking on this path requires a few essential steps. The first one is to research the market. This means understanding the ebb and flow of property values, familiarizing yourself with property types, and getting a grasp on the factors that influence market trends. This isn't about becoming an overnight expert. Rather, it's about gaining a general understanding of the terrain you're about to navigate. Next, it's crucial to comprehend your financial situation thoroughly. This isn't merely about knowing how much money you have in the bank, it's about understanding your income, your expenses, your savings, and any debts you might have. It's also about knowing your credit score, as this could significantly impact your ability to secure a mortgage for your investment property. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, it's time to create a budget. This isn't just about how much you're willing to spend on a property, it's also about setting aside funds for potential repairs, maintenance, and unexpected costs that might arise. Remember, real estate investment is a long-term commitment. It's important to plan for the journey, not just the initial purchase. Now, with a firm grasp on the market and a clear understanding of your finances, it's time to define your goal and strategy. Are you looking to generate a steady income through rental properties? Or are you interested in buying properties cheap, renovating them, and selling them at a profit? Your goal will guide your strategy and influence the decisions you make along the way. Finally, remember that knowledge is power. Continuously educate yourself about the real estate market, read books, attend seminars, join real estate investment groups. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who can offer advice, share their experiences, and provide support as you navigate this exciting journey. With these initial steps, you are now ready to plunge into the world of real estate investing. Finding a potential property is like finding a hidden gem, but how do you evaluate its worth? Imagine you're a treasure hunter, scouring the land for hidden riches. In the world of real estate investing, our treasure is potential properties, and they can be found in an array of places. The internet, for instance, is a treasure trove of opportunities. Online listings are teeming with potential properties, each one a potential gold mine. Auctions, too, are a veritable playground for the property investor. Here you can find properties at a fraction of their market value, ripe for investment. And let's not forget our trusty guides in this treasure hunt, real estate agents. These seasoned professionals have a knack for sniffing out promising investment opportunities. Now, once you've found your hidden gem, how do you determine its value? It's not as simple as appraising a diamond. You have to consider a few key factors. First, the location. Is it in an up-and-coming neighborhood? Is it close to amenities like schools, parks, and shopping centers? These factors can significantly influence the property's value. Next, you must look at market trends. Is the local real estate market on an upward trajectory? Are property values in the area increasing? If so, your potential property could see a substantial increase in value over time. Lastly, you should consider the potential return on investment. This involves calculating the possible rental income or resale value and comparing it to your initial investment. If the numbers add up, you might just have found a worthy investment. Remember, finding and evaluating potential properties is more of an art than a science. It requires a keen eye, a bit of luck, and a whole lot of patience. But when you find that perfect property, it's as exhilarating as unearthing a rare gem. Once you've found a promising property, it's time to secure your investment. Securing your investment is the final step in your real estate investment journey. It's the culmination of all your hard work, research, and strategic planning. But like any worthy endeavor, it's not without its challenges. First up, making an offer. This is where your negotiation skills come into play. You want to strike a balance between a price that's fair and one that leaves room for profit. Remember, you're not just buying a property, you're investing in your future. Next, we move on to financing the property. There are several ways to finance your investment, from traditional mortgages to private loans or even crowdfunding. Each option has its own pros and cons. Some offer lower interest rates but require a hefty down payment, while others might be more flexible but carry higher interest rates. It's crucial to explore all your options and choose the one that best suits your financial situation and investment strategy. Now, let's talk about closing the deal. This is a complex process involving various legal and administrative steps. It's here that you'll sign the contracts, pay the remaining balance, and finally become the legal owner of the property. But it's not just about signing papers and handing over money. It's about ensuring every detail is in order, from property inspections to title searches. This is where having a good legal and financial team comes in handy. They can guide you through the maze of paperwork, ensure you're complying with all legal requirements, and help you avoid any potential pitfalls. They are your safety net, protecting your investment and ensuring everything goes smoothly. Securing a property is not just about acquiring a physical asset, it's about laying the foundation for your financial future. It's about making a commitment to your financial growth and taking a step towards financial independence. Congratulations! You've now learned the basics of real estate investing. The journey might seem daunting, but remember, every successful investor started where you are now. With patience, diligence, and the right strategy, you too can build a successful real estate portfolio. Investing in real estate doesn't have to be a daunting task. We've journeyed through the intriguing world of real estate investment, helping to demystify the process and highlight the potential rewards. We've delved into understanding what this form of investment truly entails and how it can be a viable avenue to grow your wealth. We also explored how to start this journey from initial research to making informed decisions. We discussed the importance of finding and evaluating potential properties, ensuring they align with your investment goals and offer a promising return. We then touched on securing your investment, emphasizing the significance of due diligence, legal processes, and risk management. It's all about making informed decisions and mitigating potential pitfalls. And so we come to the end of our journey today, but it's only the beginning for you. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. So take that step today and start your real estate investment journey.